In this video, we will talk about Introduction to Java, how to download an IDE, which is Eclipse, how to write the first program in Java. Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is a high-level, robust, object-oriented, and secure programming language. It is called a platform since Java has its own runtime environment and application program interface. There are many integrated development environment or IDE that you can use for Java, such as Eclipse, NetBeans, JDeveloper, BlueJ, and many more. In this video, I'm using Eclipse as my IDE. Now let's see the downloading of the Eclipse. In the browser, you type Eclipse and then you click eclipse.org. It will take a while. You go to this button, click it, and then press download. It's downloading. It takes a while. Once it's completed, then we can go to the download folder. Okay, you can see it here and click twice. Run it. It will take a while. From here, you choose Eclipse IDE for Java developer and then install. You have to wait again and then follow the process of installing. Now let's try our first program, which is Hello Program. Run your Eclipse. When you run your Eclipse, then there's a welcome page. You can just close it. And then from here, you press File, New, Java Project. Give the name to your Java project. Maybe you can write Introduction. Leave the rest. Click Finish. And then if you want to give the module name, go ahead. Here, I will just ignore. And then under Introduction, you go to SRC. Right-click on it and then New, choose Package. Give the name of the package. Maybe I will give the same name here. If you want to create package info, if you make a program later on, you want to put the info of your package there. Go ahead, you can tick it. For this exercise, I will just ignore it and then press Finish. Right-click under SRC and then choose New Class. Give the name, say hello, for example, and then I take public static void main. I will just ignore the rest. So this is the name of your program, hello class. Under package introduction, there is main method here. So between braces, here is the place where we can write our command or the program. So our first program will display the word hello. So I will type system.out.println and then inside quotation I write hello. We press this, run hello, okay, and here is the console look like. We will try to ask for an input from user. Say for example, enter your name. Again, I will write system.out.println, enter your name. Ask for user to enter the name. If you are asking for an input from user, then you will need scanner. We create an object for scanner, say in. If you look at here, there is red, means there is error. In Java, if you want to ask an input from a user, you will need this scanner, create the object of this scanner. And you may use this scanner when you import Java util. From here, you click until a window appears and then import scanner. So now we import Java util scanner because this scanner is under this library. Once we are done with that, now our input will hold here. So since we are going to input a name, which is a string, then we declare it as string name. You ask an input from the scanner, which is in this case. So I'll type in and then press dot. You choose next line for string, which is here. Once we are done that, we want to say hello to whatever name entered by user. So again, we will need system.out hello, and then I want to say whoever name here under name, hello name. Let's run it. Enter your name, Chloe. Hello Chloe. That's our first program in Java. I hope you can follow.
If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.